In this video, I show you how to fix Gcash not showing, Gcash missing or Gcash disappeared after Gcash new update. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, then tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset apps. Now search Gcash. Tap on Gcash. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now you can see that Gcash option. Now you can see that Gcash app icon. If this method not working, then go to Play Store. Now click on search. Now search for Gcash. Tap on it. Tap on uninstall. Then install again. Make sure that if you uninstall Gcash and reinstall it, you have to verify your Gcash account again. Now I hope that this method fix Gcash not showing, Gcash app icon missing or disappear problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.